Hello Rafal, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2017 FJ-09 which has only 8,400 kilometers and the price is $98.88 including safety, no extra fees. Only HST and licensing is extra on top of the price. This is an ABS version as well. It does have upgraded signal lights. These nice very strong engine guards are installed already as well. As you see, the tire, it's a brand new tire on it. It's been fully certified and serviced here at Vos Motors and is ready to go. The seat is adjustable. This is in lowest position. You can put it in a higher position as well. Unfortunately, we don't have a test ride, so you can come and take a look and check the bike in person, but we don't offer test rides. It does have the quick adjustable levers, which is a pretty nice feature. The windscreen is adjustable. The bike rides just perfect. I've tried it myself, and when we took it as a trade-in, so it's in excellent condition. This is the battery lead it comes with. To charge the battery, you can plug the charger right here. So it's available. If you have any questions, please call me back at 905-660-2901, extension 212. Thank you.